We're going to review the application guidelines for our JM heat weldable cover tape. What this product is, it's a 6-inch wide flashing piece, which is made up of half peel and stick and half reinforced TPO, which is to be applied to perimeter metal flashings. The first step that we have to take is we have to clean our metal flashing as well as our TPO membrane with JM TPO membrane cleaner. After our metal and TPO has been cleaned and the cleaner is flashed, the next step that we're going to take is we're going to apply our JM TPO membrane primer to the metal flange only. It's always important that our primer is thoroughly mixed before we apply it. After our primer is flashed, the next step that we're going to take is we're actually going to be ready to install our heat weldable cover tape. What we'll do is we'll position the cover tape over the fasteners properly, and what we'll do is we'll pull the release liner and stick the cover tape directly to the metal flashing. After we've installed our flashing to the metal, the next step that we have to take is to roll the pressure sensitive tape with a roller. After our pressure sensitive tape has been bonded to the metal, the next step that we have to take is we have to weld the back side of this to the membrane. On big long runs, what we can use is the automatic welder, but when we're working in tight spaces such as this, we'll perform our welds with a hand welder. It's important to note that we have to have enough of our perimeter flashing tape onto our membrane to allow for an 1.5 inch finish weld. After our welds have cooled down, all welds on the roof must be thoroughly probed. Where our heat weldable cover tape comes together in a joint, what we do is we butt the pieces together, and we'll take a piece of our JM TPO detail membrane and we'll weld a piece of our detail membrane over the joints. It's important to know that we have to cut our detail membrane big enough to allow for our finished 1.5 inch weld on all sides. The last step that we're going to take is we're going to apply JM single ply LVOC caulk to the leading edge, as well as TPO LVOC cut edge sealant to the weldable backside.